Hello, today I am going to deliver a lecture on drugstore management, site layout and codification. This is a topic of drugstore and business management. So we start with the selection of site for opening drugstore. See, for opening a drugstore, a very important point is site. The selection of site is very important. So there are several factors which are considered while selecting the site of a drugstore. First is availability of finance. Capital is more important factor in selecting the site of a drugstore. पूंजी अगर अगर आपके पास अच्छी है तो आप एक अच्छी जगह यू कैन परचेज द साइट एट द गुड प्लेस. If you have a huge capital, if you have a less capital, then you cannot purchase a good site, which is important from the point of the sale. Second is number of doctors in the surrounding areas. If in any area the doctors are more private hospitals are there, more doctors are there, then it can be a good place for opening the drugstore. If more hospitals are there, then ultimately patient will come more there, people will approach there, so it will be benefit to have a site at that place. Next is number of drugstores existing in the area. If you want to open a drugstore and if you select the site where there are already a wide number of the drugstores, then it can be a good place to open the drugstore, because people know that that particular area. If we go to that particular area, we can purchase this medicine, because there are several drugstores. So it becomes a complete market of a drugstore. तो लोगों को ये लगता है कि हाँ अभी हम वहाँ जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे कई सारी दुकानें हैं, हमें ये दवाई तो मिल जाएगी. तो एक ही अच्छा साइट है जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ड्रग स्टोर चल रहे हो. नेक्स्ट इज डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. वेयर देयर इज मोर पॉपुलेशन, there will be more customer, there will be more patient, and it will be beneficial to open a drugstore at that place where there is more density of the population. Next is developing area. In big cities, in metro cities, generally new colonies can be a good place to open a drugstore, because at that place, first thing is that you can purchase a site at very nominal prices, and in future the people will come there, people will reside there, and you can get the patient, you can get the customers. So it can be a good area to open the drugstore. And the last is shopping centers. Shopping center, generally people come for purchasing in the shopping centers, in the malls. So while purchasing, they can also purchase the medicines. So these were the factors affecting location of the drugstore for selecting the site of a drugstore. Next is legal requirements to start a drugstore. Legal requirements to start a drugstore. There are several legal requirements to open the drugstore. First is the minimum qualification. Minimum qualification to open a drugstore is diploma in pharmacy or bachelor of pharmacy, and he must be a registered pharmacist from the state pharmacy council. To open this qualification is for to open the retail drugstore. If anybody wants to open a wholesale drugstore, then he need not require a D pharmacy or B pharmacy. He simply requires 4 years of experience in any drugstore, and his salary should be shown in that accounts of that particular drugstore. मतलब उसको 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए पर्टिकुलर ड्रग स्टोर के किसी भी मेडिकल स्टोर पर, और उसका जो वेतन है वो उस पर्टिकुलर दुकान के अकाउंट्स में उसके नाम से एंट्री होनी चाहिए होलसेल वाले की। और रिटेल की तो ये है, रिटेल जिसको खोलना है उसके लिए डिप्लोमा या डिग्री इन फार्मेसी होनी चाहिए, प्लस स्टेट फार्मेसी काउंसिल का उसके पास रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए, यानी कि स्टेट फार्मेसी काउंसिल से वो रजिस्टर्ड फार्मासिस्ट होना चाहिए। दूसरी क्वालिफिकेशन है मिनिमम स्पेस। टू ओपन ए रिटेल आउटलेट मिनिमम स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड इज 80 स्क्वायर फुट, whereas to open a wholesale drug store minimum requirement is 120 square feet area. Third is application for the grant of license. Any person who wants to start a drug store, he has to apply at State Drug Control Authority. He has to fill the form number 19, and he has to apply for a drug store. Now next is a copy of the rent receipt or rent deed. If the shop is of rent, if the shop is on rent, then he has to attach the rent receipt or rent deed along with the form 90. If the person is owner of the premises, then he has to attach the copy of the proof of ownership with the form number 90. Next is layout design. 3 copies of the layout design is to be attached with the application. 3 copies. Next is a copy of the refrigerator purchase bill. There are certain medicines which can be stored in the refrigerators only. So you have to attach the bill of the refrigerator along with the application. And next is the fee receipts. You have to deposit certain fees in the government heads, in the various heads of the government, and you have to attach that receipt along with the application. Like there are certain fees like 210 rupees of medical and public health, rupees 80 general receipt hai, other receipts 800, like this. These are certain. These are the certain structure of fees. I think these are older figure. Nowadays the figure has been changed. Next is a copy of the partnership deed. If drugstore is to be opened by 2 or more than 2 persons, that is, if the firm is having the partnership, then along with the application a partnership deed has to be attached. So these were the legal requirements to start a drugstore. Next is space layout or shop layout. Space layout or shop layout designs. So after deciding the proper site for the location of the drugstore, the next important point to be considered is the space layout or layout design of the shops. Space layout is primarily concerned with the internal setup of the shop space in the proper manner. It depicts the internal setup of the शॉप भी, कहाँ पे रैक्स होगी, कहाँ पे टेबल होगा, कहाँ फार्मासिस्ट बैठेगा, ये सब आता है उसमें। तो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द स्पेस लेआउट, कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं इसके? पहला है इट गिव्स द बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द स्पेस. सेकंड, it provides adequate storage. Third, it work out the possibilities of future expansions of the business. It reduces the cost and increases the benefits. It also helps in protecting the medicines from moisture and heat. It also provides the customer satisfaction. The shop looks good, window dressing becomes good, so it gives a satisfaction to the customer and the owners. And the last is that it also attracts the customers. It also facilitates the supervision. Supervision becomes very easy. So see, these are the certain objectives of the space layout.